Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to place a trade right here on Phemex. So the first thing that you need to know that is I'm using a demo trading account. They call it mock trading, if you can see right here. So the only options that we have to buy is the list that we are having right here. If you're using right here a live trading account, you have more options, but it works exactly the same with how to buy. Right here, I think I want to create a position on Bitcoin. So we select Bitcoin. And then if you want to place a trade, we go to open, market, fill in right here how much we want to step in. Now we can do that for USDT or in Bitcoin if you want to do that. And then we can select right here, open long. If you click on open long, you will see right here your trade information. And then we do right here, confirm. And there we go. Now it's standing right here at the order panel open position panel. And this is how you can place a trade. So it's seriously that easy. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.